Hello everyone, and welcome back to Banana Life. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of the gut-brain connection. Our gut and brain are intricately linked in ways that significantly impact our overall health, particularly our mood and mental well-being. Understanding how our gut influences our mood can empower us to make better dietary and lifestyle choices that support both our physical and mental health. So, let's embark on this journey to explore the profound relationship between the gut and the brain and discover how we can optimize this connection for better health and happiness. The gut-brain connection is a two-way communication system between our gastrointestinal tract and our central nervous system, which includes the brain and spinal cord. This connection is facilitated by a complex network of neurons, hormones, and chemicals that constantly send signals back and forth. One of the primary components of this system is the vagus nerve, the longest cranial nerve in our body, which runs from the brainstem down to the abdomen, connecting the brain with various organs, including the gut. This nerve plays a vital role in regulating many bodily functions, including digestion, heart rate, and immune response. Our gut is often referred to as our second brain because it contains its own nervous system, known as the enteric nervous system, ENS. The ENS is composed of approximately 100 million neurons, which is more than the number of neurons in the spinal cord. This vast network of neurons allows the gut to operate independently of the brain to some extent, but it also communicates extensively with the brain, influencing our mood and behavior. One of the key players in the gut-brain connection is the gut microbiota, a diverse community of trillions of microorganisms, including bacteria, viruses, fungi, and other microbes, that reside in our digestive tract. These microorganisms perform a wide range of functions that are essential for our health, such as aiding in digestion, producing vitamins, and supporting our immune system. In recent years, research has revealed that the gut microbiota also plays a significant role in regulating our mood and mental health. The gut microbiota communicates with the brain through various pathways, including the production of neurotransmitters, which are chemical messengers that transmit signals between nerve cells. Many neurotransmitters that influence our mood, such as serotonin, dopamine, and gamma-aminobutyric acid, GABA, are produced in the gut. In fact, about 90% of the body's serotonin, a neurotransmitter often referred to as the happy chemical, is produced in the gut. These neurotransmitters can enter the bloodstream and reach the brain, where they influence our mood, emotions, and cognitive functions. Inflammation is another crucial factor in the gut-brain connection. Chronic inflammation in the gut can lead to increased permeability of the gut lining, a condition often referred to as leaky gut. When the gut lining becomes permeable, harmful substances such as toxins, bacteria, and undigested food particles can enter the bloodstream and trigger an immune response. This systemic inflammation can affect the brain and contribute to the development of mood disorders such as anxiety and depression. Conversely, chronic stress and mood disorders can also impact the gut by altering its motility, permeability, and microbiota composition, creating a vicious cycle of gut-brain dysfunction. Another important aspect of the gut-brain connection is the hypothalamic-pituitary-adrenal (HPA) axis, a complex system that controls our body's response to stress. The HPA axis involves the hypothalamus, a region of the brain, the pituitary gland, and the adrenal glands. When we encounter stress, the hypothalamus releases a hormone called corticotropin-releasing factor, CRF, which stimulates the pituitary gland to produce adrenocorticotropic hormone, ACTH. ACTH then triggers the adrenal glands to release cortisol, a hormone that helps our body cope with stress. However, chronic stress can lead to dysregulation of the HPA axis, resulting in prolonged cortisol release, which can negatively impact the gut microbiota and contribute to gut inflammation and mood disorders. Given the strong connection between the gut and the brain, it is clear that maintaining a healthy gut is essential for our mental well-being. Here are some strategies to support a healthy gut and promote a positive mood. Eat a diverse and balanced diet, avoid processed foods and added sugars, stay hydrated, manage stress, get enough sleep, exercise regularly, limit alcohol consumption, avoid unnecessary antibiotics, consider probiotics and prebiotics, and stay connected. A diet rich in fiber, fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats can support a diverse and balanced gut microbiota. Fermented foods such as yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and kombucha contain beneficial probiotics that can enhance gut health. Prebiotic foods, such as garlic, onions, leeks, asparagus, and bananas, provide nourishment for the beneficial bacteria in the gut. Processed foods and added sugars can negatively impact the gut microbiota and contribute to inflammation. Limiting the consumption of these foods can help maintain a healthy gut environment. Drinking plenty of water supports digestion and helps maintain the balance of the gut microbiota. Chronic stress can negatively impact the gut microbiota and contribute to gut inflammation. Practicing stress management techniques such as mindfulness, meditation, deep breathing exercises, yoga, and regular physical activity can help reduce stress and support gut health. Poor sleep quality and insufficient sleep can disrupt the gut microbiota and contribute to mood disorders. Prioritizing good sleep hygiene and aiming for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night can support both gut and mental health. Regular physical activity has been shown to promote a healthy gut microbiota and improve mood. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity exercise per week, along with muscle strengthening activities on 2 or more days per week. Excessive alcohol consumption can disrupt the gut microbiota and contribute to inflammation. Limiting alcohol intake can help maintain a healthy gut environment. While antibiotics can be life-saving when needed, overuse and misuse of antibiotics can disrupt the gut microbiota. Use antibiotics only when prescribed by a healthcare professional and follow their instructions carefully. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that can support gut health, while prebiotics are non-digestible fibers that feed these bacteria. Taking probiotic and prebiotic supplements can be beneficial for some people, but it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. Social interactions and positive relationships can have a beneficial impact on both mental health and gut health. Engaging in social activities, maintaining close relationships, and seeking support when needed can help reduce stress and promote overall well-being. It's important to recognize that the gut-brain connection is a complex and evolving field of study. While there is still much to learn about the intricacies of this relationship, the existing evidence highlights the significant impact that gut health can have on our mood and mental well-being. By taking proactive steps to support a healthy gut, we can positively influence our mental health and enhance our overall quality of life. Thank you for joining me today on Banana Life as we explored the intricate world of the gut-brain connection. I hope you found this discussion informative and empowering. Remember, a healthy gut is key to a happy mind, and small changes in our diet and lifestyle can make a big difference in our overall well-being. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit from it. Together, let's create a healthier, happier world.